Hey there! I have been getting a lot of questions on how to tie up and style your Tootie's turbans. So I thought I'd put together a quick little tutorial that shows some different ideas on how you can tie them and style them. Today I'll do the demo with our newest style, our Tootie's Turban reversibles. If you haven't seen these yet, we have designed these so they have a fabulous pattern on one side and a solid color on the other. I will be demoing with our reversibles in the long tie length and in an exciting new colorway that will be landing in our shop soon. And it's for all you animal lovers. It is a multi-print animal print, which is fantastic for fall. And then you can reverse it to a solid black on the inside. So let's get to it, and I will show you a few of my favorite ways to tie up our Tootie's turbans. Okay, styling idea number one is to tie it in a simple bow. So put on your cap, and you're just going to tie it like you would a shoestring. And these come so you can tie it as tight or as loose as you like them. And then just go ahead and make a simple bow. Okay, so you'll have quite a bit of the ends hanging out to start with. So let's just from here open up your bow. So those ends are big. And then from here, you can tuck your hair out of your face. And you can do several different stylings with this. So I personally like it off-centered like this and kind of big and loose. So you could do that. You could also make this bow a little bit more bow shaped by taking your ends and tucking them into your bow. And we'll take this end and tuck it into this bow here. And then just shape the bow shape how you like it. So there is more of a distinct bow shape. And then you take the ends out, and another way to fluff it up would be to just loosen this center knot here. And you just got to work with it. So you can spread it out so it's wide as the tie is, and then really just loosen it up. This way, you can pull more of the bow pieces and the ends and tuck them inside if you like that look. And because these are reversible, you could choose to show the solid color or the pattern. And what I'm doing here is I'm just tucking everything into this big center loosened knot. So it makes this round knot on the top of your head. And you can turn it so it's centered. With the turbans, you can also decide where on your head you'd like them to sit. I see some people like to wear them back further. Some people like to wear them forward further so they cover up their hairline. And you can style your hair however you'd like, if you want it hanging out or if you're using this to protect your head and cover it up, you don't have to show any hair. So that is my style tip number 1 on different ways you can use the bow to shape your turban. All right, styling idea number 2 is called the twisted donut. So put back on your turban. And again, you're just going to start with that initial tie. And then from here, you're just going to start twisting the ends around each other. All right, and when you get close to the end, what you're gonna do is twist it even more. It's going to naturally want to wrap around itself. So you just do a loop, and then when you get to the end, you're gonna tuck those ends in and under. So you get this really cool twisted round donut top. And you can wear it a little bit further back on your head. If you don't want it sticking up as much, if you twist it tighter, it will lay flatter. And it's a fun little look. Styling tip number 3. I'm gonna call this one the knots. So go ahead and put it on again. Start with our base. And now you're just gonna make some loose knots on the top. So 1, 2, and then go ahead and do 3 tight. So then I'm just going to loosen these knots up and start pulling the fabric apart. And really just play with it until it, makes the shape that you like. You either do it as tight or as loose as you want. Okay, so it's a pretty good shape. I'm happy with that. And you can play around with this even more if you want to not do that 3rd knot on the top. You can loosen the fabric and then just tuck the tie ends into the front. And play with it to make the shape that you want. And you get another shape. So remember, because these are reversible, if you like the mix and match of the solid color and pattern, you can do that, or you can turn the pieces so it's all one solid design. And like that. Okay, and I will show you one last example with the turban flipped to the solid side. So here you could either do, if you want to do the solid black, just keep everything, all the pattern in to the inside. Otherwise, what I kind of like to do is turn this before tying that, so you get a little pop of pattern on the edge of your turban. And then you're just going to tie that knot at the top. And you can see a little bit of pattern on each side. And then I'll end this one with the big messy bow. So I'm going to do a little mix and match of the pattern. Loosen this center knot. Take this end, I'm going to tuck it into this bow. I'm going to leave this end out. And I like to wear mine a little bit off center. And there you got it. Don't forget, this little number is going to be up on our website later this week. And it is coming with a matching face mask. Yay! So we will do a post when it's available for purchase. And so you guys can stay fabulously stylish and safe at the same time. So I hope this tutorial helped give you some ideas on how to style your Tootie's Turbans reversibles. I love seeing what you all are doing, so please tag us in any photos or videos you have of wearing your turban and how you are styling it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I will be doing some more tutorials with our reversibles short tie style and our OG original style. All right, take care, you all.